Hello and welcome back to the Gorilla Biker. So today we're heading out to Ballinhassig, halfway in Ballinhassig, to watch motorcycle drag racing. It's hosted by the West Cork Motorcycle Club, so yeah, should be interesting. I'll go back in with you when we get closer to the event. Probably won't be too much of me talking today, just mainly watching fast bikes go fast. Hopefully that's the plan. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you soon. So the one thing I am concerned about is it's given to have like rain showers today. I'm just kind of really hoping they're not bad rain showers. I have zero interest in getting drenched, but sure, look, as long as I get to see some bikes go fast, I probably will get over it. I usually do. So yeah, we're now on the way to halfway. It won't be far. It's 8 minutes away, so that's absolutely fine. Yeah. I'll be honest, when this was supposed to be on back in April, I think it was supposed to be on at Easter, I was so disappointed it was cancelled, because I had been up in Dublin the night before, so I'd cycle. I said cycle because I saw the bicycle. I had to drive back down from Dublin late, and I was so tired. I probably nearly fell asleep in the car several times. But yeah, then I got down here and I woke up the next day to like constant monsoon rain. So yeah, it had to be called off. You can't run drag bikes in that, like, so. That is unfortunately what happened. But in fairness to the organisers of the event, they reorganised it, for June, and so far the weather seems like it'll be okay. Time will tell. I got sick of waiting for the rain, so we're just going. I mean, I don't mind riding in the rain, but I'd much rather I had my actual textiles on fully. I only have the jacket on, so we'll just have to make do. So here we are. We are at the event. So I've been signed in as an official photographer. Asking you should receive and all that crack. So I'm gonna try to set up a tripod at the start line, and we'll go from there. Get some nice pictures and maybe some nice videos of the bikes running down the road.
For Richard O'Connor, time of 11.7 seconds. Sean, next start gets away off the right for the quick. Next up, in the left-hand lane, James Walsh. And he's up against Richard Buffy, the right-hand lane, and it's on 6. Richard who won the 600 class last year. And away they go, good start in the right-hand lane. Jack. And the 750 reels into 400. on the Class G high booster. As you can see, he's struggling for grip the whole way up the track. The power these bikes are putting out. Spinning off the road.
So unfortunately I'm out of time here today. Absolutely great event, even with a couple of rain delays. So thanks very much to the West Cork Motorcycle Club for hosting it and being so patient with the weather and keeping going. I'd advise everyone to come and check it out.